This channel gets millions of views and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. In this video, I will show you how to create such content, starting with the development of exciting short videos similar to what you can see on these channels. We will start by using the GPT chat to formulate the invitation, after which we will be able to get the required format. For the next stage, we switch to the Canva platform and search for a mobile video, instantly responding to the request. As soon as a suitable template is selected, the first step is to increase its duration to 7 seconds. Then, activate the rectangle tool by pressing the R key and cover the first half of the screen with it. Followed by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+D, duplicate the rectangle and place it on the second half. Next, we change the color schemes of these shapes by adding contrasting colors. In search of a tablet frame, we turn to the appropriate section, select the necessary option, and place it on the page. By repeating this action, we create a second frame and place it in the appropriate part of the screen. Then, activate the rectangle tool again by pressing the R key and place it on the page. Now both rectangles are in both parts of the screen. After that, align them in the center. Click on the border style option and set the rounding angle to 34 degrees, and the color is white. Then, using the T key, add a text field, duplicating it. We return to the GPT chat, copy the first question to the first field and the second to the second. Optionally, you can change the font style and apply effects. Drag 2 text fields onto the page and place them on the previous text. We add a black border to the text. Next, we find a circle-shaped frame in the Elements section and drag it to the center. We are looking for a 5-second timer in the Video section and drag it onto the round frame, adjusting it so that it is displayed on the screen. In the center of the screen, please select the second half of the text and adjust the frame around it. Then right-click and select the Show Time option. It is necessary that the time is displayed for the first 1.5 seconds. After that, set the timer so that it is limited to the first 5 seconds and place it in the same area where the second half of the text is located. Next, activate the additional text added for both options. Underline the source text and stop displaying it after the time set in the timer expires. After that, select all the elements on the screen and set the animation as a pop-up. Let's move on to adding sound effects. To do this, go to the Applications section and select Add Animation. Then click on the Music button. Find the desired music track and add it to the first and second images. Don't forget to find the sound effect and move it to the area where the timer starts and ends. Now please find this music that we want to use and select the appropriate option by moving it to the desired location. Then, when you're done with that, highlight all the items on the screen before clicking the delete button to make sure nothing is missing. After that, please save this file in MP4 format on your device so that you can access it later. After that, combine all the elements together so that you have a single video. Now that you have this single video, delete all audio from this frame. Then upload our video to Canva and set it as a background so that you always have the sound with you. Now let's move on to working with images. Open the Photos option and find each image based on the table that is provided. The first question we need to answer. Therefore, I suggest choosing the image that best reflects this theme. Find the appropriate image, click on the 3 dots, and add it to the folder. Then, create a new folder and add it there. Repeat this process for each image in the first column. Now let's move on to the second column. Create a new folder named and add all the images from the second column to this folder. Now, to create additional videos, simply duplicate the current video. Then go back to the GPT chat, copy the table, and paste it into your project. Now add each image twice to create 2 columns with images. Then, before we look at the result, make sure that you have changed the colors of the digits. The higher number should be green and the lower number should be red. Now let's take a look at our video. Now click Upload Video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.